how to make good content. So if you're spending an hour recording and 10 minutes editing, that is not good content. You need to have quality over quantity, as I would say. If you're posting every single day, but you're not putting 100% effort into each video, is it good quality? Would you rather watch great quality content or would you rather watch like some okay quality content? Personally, I'd rather watch the amazing quality content, the insane quality content than just the okay. I'd because there's a difference. If so, you can tell when somebody puts quality into their content when you can see how much work and effort they put into that video, and you're like, well, this guy is gonna throw out some awesome content and he's gonna put the best quality into it, and you might want to subscribe for it because this dude's putting out great content. If you're posting every day, just trying to throw out the content, and maybe one will hit the algorithm, and you just want to shoot up, if even if that video does hit the algorithm, are they going to subscribe if it's not good quality content? Think about that for a second. Because if a great quality content hits the algorithm, you're going to get more subscribers than if one of your not so good quality content videos hits the algorithm. Trust me. Make sure your content is better quality over quantity. Make sure you're posting the best of your ability with what you have than just throwing out content left and right for people to watch. Trust me. It will make it so much easier for you if you're putting more effort into your videos than if you're just throwing them out, and it's much more enjoyable for the future.